Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including Astral, Mazda, Page Industries, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Nile Limited share is trading around rupees 2294. Nile Limited announced a dividend of rupees 4 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Elpro International Limited share is trading around rupees 120. Elpro International announced a board meeting on 12th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Astral Limited, Astral, current market price rupees 1787. Astral announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Mazda Limited, Mazda, share is trading around rupees 1363. Company announced a board meeting on 13th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. Navaneet Education Limited share is trading around rupees 140. Navaneet Education announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th November 2024. Imami Limited, current market price rupees 669. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 18th November and record date is fixed as 19th November 2024. Sudarshan Pharma Industries Limited share is trading around rupees 405. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Sudarshan Pharma, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 18th November 2024. Page Industries Limited, Page Int, share is trading around rupees 47,988. Page Industries announced a dividend of rupees 250, that is 2500%. Ex-date is fixed as 14th November and record date is fixed as 16th November 2024. Surya Roshni Limited share is trading around rupees 695. Surya Roshni announced a board meeting on 14th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Premco Global Limited share is trading around rupees 490. Premco Global announced a board meeting on 12th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring special dividend. Getalong Enterprises Limited, current market price rupees 421. Getalong Enterprises announced a board meeting on 15th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock. Nico Parks and Resorts Limited, current market price rupees 125. Company announced a board meeting on 14th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Record date for the dividend is already fixed and it is 29th November 2024. Talbros Automotive Components Limited, Talbro Auto, current market price rupees 303. Company announced a board meeting on 14th November 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Wipro Limited, current market price rupees 569. Wipro announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Wipro Limited, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Wipro. Contil India Limited, current market price rupees 271. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Indraprastha Gas Limited, IGL, current market price rupees 442. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th November 2024. Link Limited share is trading around rupees 638. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2 and announced stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date for the stock split and bonus is yet to be announced by Link Limited. JTL Industries Limited, JTL Ind, Current market price rupees 200. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of JTL Industries, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 3,446. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Bajaj Steel Industries, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th November 2024. Shakti Pumps India Limited, Shakti Pump. Current market price rupees 4,680. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 5:1. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 30th November 2024. PDS Limited. Current market price rupees 533. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.65 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th November 2024. Vivid Mercantile Limited. Current market price rupees 65. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Raghav Productivity Limited, RPEL. Current market price rupees 1,574. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 14th November 2024. Gujarat Pipavav Port Limited, GPPL. Share is trading around rupees 183. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 19th November 2024. RITES Limited. Share is trading around rupees 285. RITES announced a dividend of rupees 1.75 per each share. Record date is fixed as 15th November 2024. Upcoming IPOs. Mangal Compute Solution Limited. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 45. Lot size 3000 shares. IPO opens on 12th November and closes on 14th November 2024. Base of allotment 18th November. Initiation of funds 19th November. Credit of shares to demat account 19th November. Listing date is fixed as 20th November. Shareholding pre-issue 100% and shareholding post-issue 73.5%. Mangal Compute Solution Limited. Incorporated in April 2011, Mangal Compute Solution Limited provides hardware rental solutions to fulfill the needs of business across various industries. It rents diverse IT equipment including servers, laptops, desktops, projectors, router switches, workstations, plasma, LCD TVs, PA systems, and various accessories. Mangal Compute Solution provides small and large enterprises with customizable IT hardware products including laptops, desktops, servers, and other equipment to meet clients' specific requirements. The company's major clients are concentrated in Maharashtra, though it provides services in all of India. The company's business can be divided into the following categories. 1. Rental income from lease of IT equipment, that is computers and peripherals. 2. Sale of IT equipments. And 3. IT equipment maintenance services. This is the balance sheet of Mangal Compute Solutions Limited for the last 3 years. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.